Okay, here we go with the first time startup of this humidifier. We've got it all put together. That is filtered water in there. I didn't fill it up because I don't really need a humidifier right now at this time of year. We're putting this in the tank. The thing is floating in there, kind of. No, it's not really floating. It's in there. All right. Then the black knob lines up with the thing in the corner here. All right. Now I'm going to turn the power on. Power's on. The little light is going around there, you see. 3-second press. Oh, there it is. It's on high, and I don't want it on. All right, so the mist is coming out already. You can see it there. Medium. Low. This is about what I'll run it on, low. Quiet. A lot of good reviews out there on this item. I bought it because of the stainless steel, be easier to clean.